Morning guys, so we left the tent finally after 2 nights of sleeping in the tent with no mattress, just putting some clothes underneath me to be able to sleep even remotely, at least try to sleep a little bit. To be honest, sleeping in the tent wouldn't be so bad if I had something soft to sleep on, but after 2 nights in the tent my back was absolutely killing me. We are finally back to our beautiful apartment in Quepos called Pura Vida Guesthouse. It feels so luxurious to be back in our favorite place, which comes with an ensuite bathroom, massive kitchen, loads of outside social areas and many facilities. 2 nights in the tent were tough, especially because we didn't have any mattress. That was for sure my main concern. I would actually enjoy it if I had something soft to sleep on. I'm very bony, I mean you guys probably know this. So yeah, finally back to our beautiful guest house, which just feels like such a luxury. Today we decided to do a little walk to Playa La Macha. It's a local beach. The guest house is not close to the sea, unlike the surf camp, but we still prefer it way more. So it took us probably like 40 minutes to get to this Playa La Macha beach. You had to hike. If you guys are in the area and are thinking of going to the beach near Quepos, Playa La Macha is definitely the nice option to anyone who likes quietness and peace. There are not many people at this beach right now and it's Sunday, so you would think locals would be here because it's the holiday, it's Easter Sunday, but no, there was only a few people. It feels very intimate, quiet, the water is lovely, nice and warm. It's a black sand beach, however, so if you're not a fan, then this might be disappointing, but to me it feels great just because of lack of crowds. So monkeys on the way here, there are crabs just chilling on the rocks, so to anyone who likes wildlife, loads of birds, all kinds of birds around us also. Highly recommend. Make sure, however, if you are planning to do this hike, even though it's not far, in these weather conditions, which are extremely hot, bring some water, probably bring a hat, which is something I didn't do. I didn't bring a hat and it's not very safe or reasonable. I think in these temperatures it's best to bring a hat. And yeah, plenty of water. It's an easy hike, it's just the temperatures that are making it very hard. As I was doing it, I was sweating so much, and I don't even sweat that much in general. So yeah, this is, at the minute as I'm talking to you, there's just one person, one local, I think he's a local at the beach, so very nice and good to me. If you don't like the crowd of Manuel Antonio, then Playa La Macha in Quepos would be a much better option for you. There are not many shadow places here where you can chill, so going in the water just feels very refreshing, especially after the hike. One thing I would recommend bringing to this beach are water shoes. If you like rock climbing or you want to come near the rocks, it's the best idea because here the water isn't so clear, I suppose because of the sand and the mud. The water is pretty muddy, the sand is black, so you can't see clearly through the water. So you know, you might step on some rocks, you have to be careful walking here barefoot. So yeah, I would advise bringing some water shoes and just enjoy this lovely beach. amazing. Fresh coconut from the beach.